What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? I have to go poopy. Do you have to go poopy? Say, I have to go poopy. Everybody that dressed up as Alex that one day in high school just shows that everybody was drawn to him. He was so funny. Say, I have to go poopy. Tell everybody who doesn't know him, he was. I have to go poopy. I have to go poopy. Where's the poopy? Poopy, poopy, poopy. Donde es tu poopy? Where's your poopy? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Hi. Hi. Yeah. What? What are you gonna say? I'm a big girl? Oh. See, I'm a big girl. Your eyes look brown. Is your eye blue or brown? Blue brown. Blue brown. What color is your eye? Look at that eye. It's so pretty. Kaylin, I'm filming the baby.